You gotta say what it is.
Alright, come on in close. Get that close up. This is pretty much like a Brembo setup. We're going to take the back plate off. This is a 2015 Hyundai Genesis 5.0 liter. The front brakes, we're not going to change calipers, but we're going to take this plate off. And these two, we're going to get in here, take the pins out. There's 2 cotter pins in here as well. And we'll pop those off. Very simple to take apart. So we're going to start that. Go ahead.
You say it was 5.0?
Yep. See there, little sucker wrench.
Is that the wrong one? Yeah, that's the wrong one.
Yeah, you can grab it.
This one's too big, that one's too small. That's the other one.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so to take these off, you'll need a 10mm.
No.
Right on. So next we're going to take these little pins out. Can you see those? Go in close to those. See those little pins? Those just pull right out. I need a needle nose. Boom. Now these little pins here, these little rods, they're going to slide out that way. So you just take your little needle nose plier and push them. Grab them and pull them out. There you go. Boom. Easy. Right on. Next, we gotta push the pistons back in. If you can see the little metal, that's a piston. There's another piston up there. We gotta push them back in, this side and that side. So what we'll do is we'll get in between the brake pad like this and push them back in. You're going to have a lot of gap in there, but you still want to make sure they go all the way to the end. Because when you put your new ones in, you want to make sure they fit. Once the movement stops, you're good. Yeah, so once the pistons are pushed back in, the old brake pad just slide right out. Yeah. And we're going to reuse these back spacing plates right here. Alright, next we're going to take out the little shims there. Yeah, they'll just slide right in and slide right out. We got new ones. Spray just where the shims were on the bottom there, and the top with our. Get all the brake dust out. On top there. Alright. Then just spray those off.
These plates?
Right, yeah. Put the plates back on the back side. You'll see there's two grooves on top, so obviously the two go on there and the one on the bottom. They just slip right on. Boom. Yeah. There's the other one. Shims back in.
Oh.
Slide in the top and then it slides in the bottom. No. This one goes this way. There we go. Alright, now we just slide in our brakes like, yep. Get a little tight, but there we go. Slides on in. Now we just replace the pins.
You go up or down?
Close it like this. Let's go this part here, the top part goes in the hole.
Oh, no, but I don't see.
Oh, you have to rotate it with your pliers. Rotate it down. No, no.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
There you go. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Boom. Right on. Now we just put the plate back on, and they're done.
Oh. I'm done. We're going to cut that, by the way.
We'll cut that out. That's it. Done.